In this problem here, we are asked to find the vertical asymptote of this rational function, f of x equals x squared minus 5x over x squared minus 2x minus 15. To me, the simplest way, or the best way to find the vertical asymptote, is to begin by taking the fraction, the algebraic fraction, and trying to see if anything will simplify, if you can cancel out any common factors. So that means we need to take our numerator and denominator and go ahead and factor it. So up top here, x squared minus 5x, I can just pull out a common factor. And then on the bottom here, x squared minus 2x minus 15, there's no coefficient of the square term, which is good. That means it's going to be a little easier to factor. And then we need things that multiply by negative 15, that it had to be a negative 2. And after a little bit of searching, hopefully you realize that would be an x plus 3 and an x minus 5. All right, 3 times minus 5 will be negative 15. 3 plus negative 5 will be negative 2. And then we cancel out any common factors that happen to show up in the top and bottom. And then once we've done that, we'll have this answer that this is equal to x over x plus 3, as long as x is not equal to 5, because we canceled out that 0 over 0 factor. That's why we have that restriction there. That restriction there, x cannot be equal to 5, is a hole in the graph. And then anything left that makes the bottom 0 now will be a vertical asymptote. That's how we can be sure, by simplifying it, that the thing that we're looking at making the bottom 0 is actually a vertical asymptote, as opposed just to a little hole in the graph. And then once we've done this simplifying, we really just need to finish solving. So we set our denominator, x plus 3, equal to 0, and we solve. And when we solve, we find out that x is equal to negative 3. X is equal to negative 3. And so that is our vertical asymptote. That's the value that makes the bottom 0 that is also a vertical asymptote.